welcome everyone. Listen to this question. So what they've asked, it shows about the following graph, and there it shows about the percentage of marks. Okay, so the marks obtained by who and all, and the two students. The first one is Samay, and the next one is Rajat. Is it right? And they are telling that for each subject, the maximum mark is 150. It's not for 100, but 150. But they are given the graph, that is for percentage. So you take for percentage. Is it right? So look over here, this triangular, that's a rhombus shape. It shows about the Samay, and this is square shape shows about the Rajat. Okay. So what they asked the question, what's the average mark? Okay, average mark scored by only Rajat. Now, they are not mentioning about the Samay, only Rajat in English, Hindi, and computer. So first of all, you know that for Rajat it shows about the square shaded part. Okay. So we want to know the English, Hindi, and computer subject mark. Is it right? For Rajat. Rajat means what square. Okay. So look at the English first of all. For English, Rajat scored 82. Is it right? Yes, 82. 82 percentage. Is it right? 82. And then afterwards, then plus. Then a Hindi. Hindi, Rajat scored only 52. Is it right? So you just go for a 52. And then afterwards, computer science, the Rajat score is only 60. Is it right? So you have to go for the 60. So automatically, these all things are represent form of percentage. So you have to make it as percentage, but maximum mark is 150. Is it right? Percentage. So you have to make a multiplication of with a 150. Okay. Then make a bracket totally. So you know that 80 plus 50, 130, 190. So 194. Okay. So 194 divided by 100 and into 150. So better just make of this two, we get it cancelated, and you know that it is 3 and it's 2 5 10. Is it right? So automatically you will be getting, so 9 2s are 18, so remainder 1 7. Is it right? 97 into 3. I hope you know this answer. Is it right? 21, and then after 2 it's a 27. So automatically get it 20 into 91. Is it right? So totally you have to make it as 291 as the combination of these three. Okay, so what they are asking means the totally how much out of this 150. Is it right? So 150 means, listen over here, so you got a 291. So they asked about three subjects, right? So totally 291, you want to go for divided by 3. So automatically if you divide means what, you will get answer 27 divided 2, and then as afterwards 7. Is it right? So average mark for three subjects. Okay, average mark for the three subjects is 97. So out of 150, average he is getting only 97. Okay, and that's the answer. Okay, if any doubts means you can just make a comment in the comment box. Thank you.